Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney who focuses on birth injuries throughout the country. I'm continuing my series on birth injuries with series 4, which is brachial plexus injuries, or Erb's palsy. I'll now go over the treatment and recovery. The prospect of your tiny baby needing treatment can be stressful, but the majority of brachial plexus birth injuries improve with conservative management. In the first days after birth, the standard approach is often rest and gentle handling. The infant's arm may be placed in a soft immobilizer or the sleeve pinned to their clothes to avoid excessive movement for a week or two. This gives swollen or bruised nerves a chance to recover without further stretch. After this brief rest period, the physical therapy will typically start. A pediatric physician or an occupational therapist will teach you a range of motion exercises to gently move your baby's shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand through their safe ranges. Doing these passive exercises daily or as instructed prevents stiff joints, which is called contractures, and keeps the muscles and joints healthy while these nerves heal. Don't worry, these exercises are very gentle and will usually not cause the baby pain if done correctly, and they're intended to stave off stiffness and encourage a return of function. Many infants start to show signs of improvements within the first month or two, and you might notice your baby beginning to move their shoulder or bend their elbow gradually. This is an encouraging sign. In fact, prognosis data is quite optimistic. About 80% to 96% of infants with Erb's palsy achieve a complete or near complete recovery within time. Better outcomes are associated with early return of biceps functions and the ability to flex the elbow in the first weeks. During this period, you will likely have regular follow-ups with pediatric orthopedic specialists or neurologists to monitor the progress. For babies who do not show improvement in the first 3 to 6 months, more invasive interventions are considered. A pediatric brachial plexus specialist, often a neurosurgeon or orthopedic surgeon specializing in peripheral nerves, might recommend surgical exploration of the brachial plexus around 3 to 6 months of age if there's little to no improvement returning. Surgical options include nerve grafting, which is taking a nerve from another part of the body to a bridge gap, nerve transfers, which is rrooting a functioning nerve to take over the function of a damaged one, or removing scar tissue around the nerves. These surgeries aim to improve the potential for arm use, but they are complex and the results can vary. The earlier they're done, within 6 to 12 months, generally the better the outcomes because the muscles haven't atrophied as much. Even after surgery, therapy is crucial to train the nerves and muscles to work as much as possible. Beyond nerve-focused treatment, the child grows. They may require additional procedures if any joints are affected by muscle imbalances. For instance, some children develop tightness in the shoulder joints or elbow later in childhood. Orthopedic surgeries like tendon transfers or muscle releases might help improve range of motion. Most children with Erb's palsy, especially those who recover early, do not need these later surgeries, but they are tools available if needed. If you have a child that's been affected by this condition and you're considering your legal options, it's a good idea to just call an attorney and like myself, who handles birth injuries, because we can review your records and determine if you have a viable claim. If you do, we can sit down with you and explore your legal options and show you the road path forward to a potential recovery for you and your family moving forward. Again, these can be very helpful. Compensation can help you, attain care for your child long term and can give you peace of mind that the needs of your child will be taken care of for many years in the future. If you would like to do that consultation, I'm always happy to help. You can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.